Welcome back to Zambia House Tours, brought to you by ZambiaHousePlans.com. Today, we've got a very special treat for you. Prepare to be impressed as we step inside the elegant Foxdale Suites, nestled right here in the desirable Foxdale area of Lusaka, Zambia. Get ready for an exclusive peek at these stunning short-term stay apartments, where comfort meets contemporary style. And that's not all. We'll also be sitting down for an insightful chat with the visionary owner behind these beautiful spaces. Come along with us as we uncover the charm and story of Foxdale Suites. So guys, let's see what it looks like on the inside. Let's go in. Okay, first thing we see is the kitchen, of course. The counter looking beautiful. We have a microwave over there with the stove and the fridge. We've got this beautiful mirror over here. Wow. Okay, so we have a bed, a desk over here, and a TV for entertainment. And then this should be closet space. Yeah, we've got closet space over here. And a door. Ooh, the bathroom. Nice. So we've got a toilet and a shower cubicle over here. Really nice, with a recessed section for the shampoo. Nice. We've got another mirror here with the wash hand basin over there. Wow. I really love this place, guys. Very simple and straightforward. And then you've got a nice view. Look. Hey guys, so now I'm joined by the owner of the property, which is right behind us really. You've had a look at it. So now we're going to just talk to him and just find out a little bit more about the inspiration and just what the property is like. So could you introduce yourself, sir? Your name?
Okay. My name is Malindi Chilangi, and we own this property, to jointly own it with my wife, Twiza, and we've listed it out on AirBnB. So she's the one who usually does the actually.
I've seen on Airbnb, it's actually it says Twiza is the host, right?
Yes, she's the one handling the business.
Ah, okay. So what inspired you to make these apartments? First of all, how many are there?
Okay, so there are 4 boutique rooms. They're all the same. Others on the ground floor, and we've got some sort of a basement. I'm sure from the videos.
Yeah, you'll be able to see. Yes.
You'll be able to see that. Yes. So there are 4 rooms, and each of the room goes for about $50 a night.
Okay.
Yes.
So current rate is $50 a night.
Exactly.
So in a good month, what would you make? Because I know you probably don't have 100% occupancy. It's usually rare.
No. Usually
So
occupancy is about 60%.
About 60%.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you are looking at each unit at 100% gives you 1,500 USD. By 4, that's 6,000 USD.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
So where are we first of all? This area. What do you call this area?
This is Foxdale.
It's called Foxdale. Okay.
Foxdale area, of course, near Chamba Valley. Yes.
Okay. So one would be wondering, obviously, like, how much did it cost to put up these units? Just the units themselves, without the land, without just the units.
Yeah. So for the units, it costed roughly, for the 4 units, it costed something like 1.2 million.
1.2
kwacha.
million. Okay.
Yes.
Well, that's actually much better in terms of return on investment than, say, a 3-bedroom house.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because a 3-bedroom house will cost you more than that.
Yeah.
I think to answer your earlier question, so what was the motivation? It's seeing it in that light to say, if I have this capital and built a house, put it on rent, probably the maximum I would get out of it is a 15,000 kwacha per month.
Yep.
And that's a good rent,
Mm.
given the location and everything.
Yeah.
So we weighed the option to say we can put up these units because the total square meterage is just about 24 square meters because it's 6 by 4.
Only.
Yeah, each
Yeah.
room.
Okay.
Yeah,
I see. I see.
yeah, and then having like to put them on Airbnb and charging, just have them furnished and then charging what's per night.
Yeah.
You see, you can see the difference.
Yeah, and
1,000 USD.
even the wear and tear though, like, because these are
Yeah.
temporary, they just come, they go. It's not
Exactly.
like a family which stays the whole month.
The whole
and all
month.
that.
And if you were to actually look at it in terms of putting it, say, long-term
Yeah.
rentals, the maximum you can get for that room is 3,000 if you're lucky. And that's for a month.
Yeah.
And I get that in what? Less than just 2.5 nights. Just
Yeah.
basically 2 nights.
Yeah.
I've
Okay.
made a month's rent for one room.
Wow. I think that makes perfect sense. But I think
Yeah.
also location has a very big factor to play on this, right?
Sure.
Yeah. But I think anyone can do that. Of course, you have to weigh the options. Yeah. And I don't know, do you think, I've noticed the land is quite sloping here. Like,
Yes.
did that play a role also in the design? And also,
Yes, actually it did. Well, the way the plot was is we had a steep, what's this, gradient, and actually that played to my advantage because most of the people who actually found the land didn't want to
Of
build
course,
on a
it's too
slope.
much work.
Exactly,
Yeah,
they'll be
yeah,
like,
yeah.
I can't build here.
Yeah.
You see, the whole plot itself is not that big, so to speak. So we needed to be innovative.
Yeah.
And I decided to use the land to my advantage. Yeah.
That's good. Very, very adaptable, and of course, very inspirational. So, what are the amenities here? When people come here, what can they use? What
Okay.
facilities?
So on top of the rooms, there is an entertainment area
Oh, okay.
where you got your bar. There's a pool table. Of course, there's DSTV. There's Netflix.
Yeah.
And then we've also got a common the pool here.
Okay.
They can access the swimming pool.
So there's Wi-Fi also, right, for the Netflix?
Yes.
Oh, great.
Yes, there's free Wi-Fi when you come, which is quite good actually. It doesn't get interrupted most of the time. So most of the guests love that because when they come, most of the guys are actually working and it's so quiet and peaceful.
Speaking of about the guests, could you please tell me what is your target guest, like your ideal guest? Who are you targeting when you are doing this investment?
All right. So we actually thought about that already when we're doing it. Our target guests were these international guests coming in because those are usually in maybe for a week, 1 week, even a day or two,
And then they leave.
and then they leave. That's the whole reason we decided to list it on Airbnb.
Okay.
Yeah. So we listed it on Airbnb, and it's got that global exposure where everyone will look at it, book, we communicate prior to booking. They'll ask whatever questions they need to ask. Yeah, we'll explain.
So does this mean also that you provide the option of picking people up from the airport, like airport shuttle?
Yes, there's actually a bus dedicated to pick up.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So we'll give them that option.
Okay.
There's also an option of early check-in or late check-out, but they need to communicate prior.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, that's great. This is really inspirational, and I'm sure the viewers, people who are watching, will see that it's very possible. Like you don't have to restrict your mind to just like say a 3-bedroom or a 2x2 block of flats in Lusaka. Yeah, like you can try different things, and this can work elsewhere. Yeah. No, thank you very much for showing us this lovely home, the Airbnb. The name is Foxville?
Foxhill
Suites.
Yes.
Okay, so please go to Foxhill Suites, guys. Make sure you check it. The link is in the description. Mr. Chilangi, thank you very much.
No, thank you very much.
If you'd like us to tour one of your houses or one of your projects, just comment or message info@zambiahouseplans.com, or just post it in the comment section and we'll be able to see. So please follow Foxhill Suites, visit the place. It's the place to be. Thank you.